If you're looking to bridge your online Shopify store with physical retail locations, then the Shopify point of sale is the perfect solution. Let's review how to set up and utilize the Shopify point of sale to its fullest potential. We'll discuss configuring locations, assigning products to the point of sale, and creating staff accounts. Let's start by reviewing your products and creating locations for the point of sale. By default, your Shopify store will stock all products in the location named Online Store. When using the point of sale, however, you'll want to maintain separate physical locations and inventory amounts to properly track your sales. You can review your current locations from the Locations link on the POS sales channel. Let's create a new location to represent the physical retail store where the point of sale will be used. Navigate to your settings from within the Shopify admin and look for the Locations menu. Click on this selection and choose Add Location to create a new entry. Provide the name and address details. This information should represent the physical location of the point of sale. Shopify will support up to 1,000 separate locations. Once you save your new location, you'll return to the summary of all of your available locations. So now that we have a specific location for our retail store, we need to assign products to that location. This allows us to designate which items are available for purchase at that physical location. When we return to our products in the Shopify admin, we need to configure the availability of the items for the POS. The first step is managing where the item is published. We use the checkboxes to assign the product's availability to the point of sale. This tells Shopify to make this item available to any of our POS locations. Next, we need to assign the inventory to our retail location. This tells the point of sale how many of that item are stocked at the physical store. By clicking Edit Locations, we can activate any of our new POS locations and assign quantity information. These amounts will be displayed in your POS and dictate how many you can sell. Your online store and POS locations can maintain separate amounts of your available inventory. You can repeat this process for every product within your store. It's time to create the staff members for your POS retail location. These individuals will gain access to the POS interface and begin selling the assigned products. Return to the point of sales channel in your Shopify admin and click on the staff link. If this is your first time configuring the POS, you should see a single default store owner. To create new staff members, you should first review the POS roles. This setting lets you create the permissions for each role. Shopify will provide some default roles, however you can edit or create your own permission sets as needed. Clicking on any existing role allows you to edit the individual permissions. Shopify provides various options that can be configured for each role. You can create your own custom sets using the settings. With the roles complete, it's time to create the individual staff members. Click Add Staff Member and provide their personal details and assign the permissions using the POS roles that you just created. The PIN is used for that individual to access the POS interface via the in-store tablet. You can assign a custom 4-digit PIN or have Shopify assign one automatically. You can now hit Save to create the new staff member. Repeat this process for each individual who needs access to the point of sale tablet at the physical location. You can edit any existing staff member by simply clicking on their name from within the POS sales channel. Let's review the configuration of the POS tablet itself. We've downloaded and installed the Shopify POS app on the iPad that we plan on using within the store. You can install and utilize the app on as many iPads as needed for your location. You'll need to log in and confirm your store credentials in order to get started. You'll see that we are immediately prompted to enter a PIN. This is the 4-digit number that we assigned from within the admin. Each staff member will have their own PIN to access the POS. The store administrator should confirm that each tablet is assigned to the correct location from within the More option on the tablet. You can view the active locations that we previously configured. We want to assign this location to the retail store. We simply click on this selection to load the available products and settings for this location. You're now ready to start using the app. All orders will be attributed to that specific location. Let's start by reviewing the available products. You can browse the assigned products by searching for specific items or using the product link at the bottom navigation. This direct link will provide access to all of the products available on the POS. The full product list will display the inventory and stocking status for each item. The location, products, and staff are now properly configured. Your Shopify point of sale is ready to take orders. In our next video, we'll show you how to perform checkouts, customize the tile layout, and further configure the POS for your store.